Water damage restoration in Evesham, New Jersey is essential in a community surrounded by parks, forests, and streams. Seasonal flooding and excess moisture threaten homes and businesses. When water damage strikes, fast action is key to preventing costly repairs. Restoration Specialists is available 24/7 to minimize damage and restore your property. Water seeps into walls, floors, and hidden areas, creating the perfect environment for mold. We use advanced drying techniques to remove moisture and stop mold before it starts. Mold doesn't just damage property, it can cause serious health issues. Our certified mold remediation services ensure your indoor air is clean and safe. Flooding and sewage backups can bring hidden dangers, such as bacteria and structural damage. Our biohazard cleanup team follows strict protocols to restore a sanitary environment. We do more than clean up, we fully restore. From water extraction to rebuilding, we handle every process step with care and expertise. Call 609-669-2155 or visit restoration-specialist.com/areas-served/Burlington-County-NJ/Evesham for expert water damage restoration. Restoration Specialists, fast response, lasting solutions.